Well, it's raining this morning, but we waited and come out about 10 o'clock. Try to see if we can't get something fired up here. Maybe to stop raining here in a few minutes. We'll see what happens. Turkey gobbling over here. He's getting fired up pretty good. Well, we missed the turkey this morning. Come in just like it's supposed to. It was just a little bit too far, and I probably rushed the shot. I should have waited for him to get closer, but I've hunted everywhere. I can't find him. I missed. He's about right here. I was sitting right there. About a 50-yard shot, maybe. Probably a little further. Maybe I didn't spook him up too bad. He'll be back in. He flew over there. That's what happens when you get too excited. You rush. Try it again in the morning.